What's up guys, CJ here. Today I'm going to show you a great warm-up exercise on the drum kit. It's a good exercise that I learned when I was starting drumming, and I still do it today because I think it's a good core strength exercise, and it's a good way to kickstart your practice session or rehearsal or whatever you're getting into behind the drum kit. It's a pretty simple but also a challenging exercise. It's all in 16ths. It's a 1-bar phrase that you want to loop over and over. And the first half of this phrase is right, left, kick, kick, right, left, kick, kick. And the second part is right, kick, left, kick, right, kick, left, kick. That's the entire exercise. Let's go. You're starting to feel that burn in your legs, huh? Yeah. Alright guys, now that you've gotten used to this exercise a little bit, try bringing in the toms. Try bringing in the hi-hats, the cymbals, whatever you want. You just play around with it, and it turns into a pretty cool fill. You know, it's all linear basically, so you got a linear fill going. So keep practicing on that. Let me show you. Alright guys, that's about it for today. I hope you enjoy this little exercise, and thank you so much for watching. Please feel free to leave a comment in the comment section, and like, share, subscribe. You know what to do, folks. Thank you for watching.